All right, another way to pass the time, connect with friends, right? Cocktails over video chat are helping people cope, and they're calling it a Quarantini happy hour. Here's how to host one for you and your friends. Modern technology has provided us with plenty of ways to maintain social connections in a time of social distancing. One of the rising trends in the current virtual social landscape is called the Quarantini. A Quarantini is a cocktail made from whatever spirits and mixers you have on hand at home. To make a cocktail, create a ratio using your base spirit, usually 2 ounces, then add some sweet mix and a sour mix, around 3/4 of an ounce each. You can keep things as easy as possible: booze, simple syrup, and lemon or lime juice, all while enjoying the company of your friends and family. Cheers to that! And if you want to try other recipes with friends over FaceTime or Skype, of course, Real Simple has plenty to choose from. Long Island iced teas, mojitos, mimosas, so much more. Just go to realsimple.com.